watching thenasartinc, and this is my YouTube channel. Today I did a little redraw. So here's the thing, I discovered digital drawing in 2014, which was pretty late, and so I decided to get myself a normal tablet. At that time I had this Lenovo tablet and I used to just doodle around, and recently I found the first drawing I did on that with my finger. I didn't have a stylus or anything of that sort. The drawing you see on your left is just a simple sketch I did with my fingers. Now you can obviously guess it that at that time I used to watch a lot of anime, so I was really influenced by anime, and I did not have my own art style. I had zero anatomy knowledge, which is why both of them, they look really stiff, really stiff. They have zero emotions. They look like they're gonna cry, and the dude's hair is way too greasy. So I thought it's finally time for a glow up, and I had to. I went through a lot of trial and error to get this right, as you can clearly see, and that basically describes my entire art journey at this point. So I started off as this doodling person, because I had the whole fidgety problem where I cannot focus and stuff. So I started drawing because I still have calm myself down, and that caught up, and I started drawing a lot more. And but my whole art process is always trial and error. Like you can see here, there's so many layers of sketches and doodles and draws and redraws and Ctrl-Z's before I reach my final design, what I have in mind. And even at that, the final product is never even close to what I had in mind, but it kind of looks decent. So I want you to watch this video till the end. And yes, I had to add the log cap. I don't know why, I just felt like doing that. So there we go. And you have to watch this video till the end to see the final result, which looks way better than the process, because this video, as you can see, it started off in 2018 and I finished it in 2019, because I started in the December 30th or something. In the last few days of December I started this drawing, and I only ended pretty recently, January 1st week, and I procrastinated my way all the way till now to finish editing it. So yeah, you can say that it took a lot of time. And yes, eyebrows on fleek, we need that. And the whole process is, it's not a tutorial, but more of a lesson, a moral value thing, you can say, or just me rambling in the microphone while I draw in the background, because I enjoy doing that. And so I draw a lot, as you all know, but it doesn't have to, specifically focus on my career. I mean, a lot of people that I know of, they just draw for fun, and it's not such a serious thing. It's just relaxation. It's art therapy. And I think whether good or bad, everyone should try drawing at least once. Just the way, whether you're good or bad at sports, they make you do it in school because it's supposed to make you healthy. Even though I hated sports, I still do. I think maybe everyone should be, allowed to at least doodle or paint, or at least just take bubbles of paint and throw it at a canvas, because art is therapy. It's fun and it's really relaxing, and I caught up on that big time, as you can see. So currently I study architecture, and this kind of art has nothing to do with my career or course. It's just hobby. It's pure hobby and pure fun. It's just nice. And even YouTube is not a career thing for me. It's just something I enjoy doing, something I'm passionate about, that I learn a lot while doing it. So basically the thing is, it grows when you share it, knowledge and stuff. When I share this kind of video on YouTube and other social platforms, other artists see it and they give their constructive criticism, and you're a stranger on the internet giving me advice that is actually helpful. Thank you so much. It's really sweet, and you make a lot of friends on the way. You meet other like-minded people, and that's all that I'm here for. And I really want to thank you if you watch my videos, if you have subscribed, and I hope you're awesome enough to watch this video till the end. It's a tad bit long, not that long. So I just hope you watch it till the end, and I hope you enjoy it. As you can see, the process, this kind of looks muddy right now, but it's gonna get clear. Everything's gonna be alright. That's like my motivation in life at this point. Every time I mess up something real bad, I just be like, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be alright, and I just keep trying till I make it. And that's literally like what I'm doing all the time, just hoping it's gonna get better, but expecting the worst. So there's not a lot to say except keep trying and you'll make it. Also, yeah, I listen to music while working. I cannot work without music, as you saw. Reverse Thank You Next playing in the background. I love that song. And anyways, it's just nice to doodle around sometimes and make time from my schedule to just draw like this. And I'll try posting a bit more often, and I'll try other art styles. I tried realism at first. That did not work out for me. I sort of don't like realistic art at all. Like I like it when others do it, but when I do it, it doesn't turn out right. So I don't like it that much. I really got stuck on the surrealistic and cartoonist styles. That's kind of, I like it. It makes me feel good. So that's my art style for now, but I'm probably gonna experiment a bit more with other art forms. For example, digital art was purely experimental for me. At first I was really bad at it, but I'm not saying I'm very good at it right now, but I'm trying and I enjoy doing this. So yeah, I'm probably gonna try other things. So if you have a suggestion, drop it in the comment box below, and I will definitely try it. I'm all open for suggestions and requests, as long as they're reasonable. And don't say draw me. That's so annoying. Every time I ask someone, what do I draw? Give me a suggestion. They be like, draw me. No, I'm not gonna do that for free. Art is expensive and time consuming. I'm not drawing you for free. I might if it's like your birthday or something. Just kidding. I don't know about that, but I might even open commissions at some point if enough people are interested. But for now, art is purely a fun thing for me. I don't get paid from YouTube. I don't get paid from anyone for doing art. It's just a fun thing that I like doing, and I just do it for the support, and I do it for learning from other artists, and that's purely the reason. And thank you so much for all the comments and likes and all those things. That means so much, because they sound like materialistic, worldly things. Like, oh my god, you're obsessed with likes. No, I'm not obsessed with likes and comments and things like that. I'm obsessed with the positivity I get on this thing, on the site, and that keeps me going, I guess. And that's about it. I hope you watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay motivated. Motivate others around you, pass on the goodwill, and keep watching.